Hi Sagittarius, welcome to your zodiac reading. So, this is going to be a reading from October 1st to the 15th. And if you've been following my channel, you would know how I do these readings. First, I'll be looking at the current energies, and basis that, I'll be looking at the outcome that you can expect in the coming 15 days. Also, guys, while watching this, please remember this is a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you. So please take what resonates and leave what does not. Oops, cards falling out. So a small tip on how would you know if this reading is resonating. So I'll be looking at the current energies. So if the current energies resonate with you, then pretty much the outcome will also resonate. All right? Okay. So let's start. Let's see what's going on with you currently, Sagittarius. Sagittarius, current energies. Queen of Wands. Three of Pentacles. Two of Wands. You're passionate about something and you worked on it. Now you are waiting for some sort of a result. Let's see, what are you waiting for? Two of Wands. Okay, somebody walked away, or if this is a career thingy, then if this is a person that someone walked away from you, but you still didn't give up on this person, so you're still waiting, although you were very hurt by this whole situation. Okay? What I see from here is that it will come to you. Because I see very consistent efforts. You wanted this and it's right here. Like as in, it's not exactly right here, but what I'm seeing is that when you're working towards something, you visualize certain things, and when you visualize certain things, you know about it. Okay, that's what I mean. So even though you never got any signals of positivity from this situation, okay, even though you didn't get anything of that sort, you were still hopeful and you still are hopeful. So this is a very passionate thing for you. This is something that you're very attached to as well, as what I'm seeing. Okay. But then again, with the Five of Cups here, I feel that yes, there are some phases or instances when you feel really hurt. Okay? When you feel really hurt and you're not very sure whether you can do this or you can't. All of those things are there. But yeah, you're passionate about something, it has not yet come. I see it coming and you're waiting. Okay? So if this resonated, let me see what you can expect in the coming 15 days. What can you expect in the coming 15 days? Ten of Wands. King of Pentacles. Just when you give up, this person turns up. Knight of Swords and the Star. It'll be like a surprise. I'm seeing that it's not like it's easy for this person also. It's quite difficult, but then I'm seeing that this person would turn up. They will. As I said, that even though this connection or this situation is very difficult, I'm still not seeing either you or your person giving up on it. Okay, that energy is not there. The giving up energy is not there. I'm seeing more of like growth, more determination, more feelings and more emotions coming up here. Okay? Yeah, that's what I'm seeing here. Um, but do you think it's worth it? Like, I do see you are passionate, but this is becoming a little too burdensome for you. That's why I'm asking you, do you think it is worth it? So while you watch this reading, ask yourself. I mean, that's why maybe, I don't know, I see that the moment you give up is when this person turns up. So, and then I don't know whether you would want it enough or not. Okay? Then I don't know if you would want it enough or not. Because I am seeing a sense of feeling very burdened by the whole thing, that, like thinking around those lines that yes, I've done everything, and then still, I don't know how is it going to be, all of those things. That's what I'm seeing here. So let me see if this resonates with you. Let me see an advice for you here. I do feel introspection is needed. That's something that I'm picking up. Feather. Think first before you judge. I told you. Think about it. Is it worth it? The amount of effort you've put in. You know what? Sometimes we are so busy in, like, I want it, that whole feeling. We forget the amount of effort we are putting in. The sun. Paint the sun back into your sky. So here the major message that I see for you, Sagittarius, it's that you got to understand your own value, your own worth. Because you have put in your 100% in this, and now it's becoming a little too much. So you have to ask yourself if you want to do this enough or not. This person will turn up, but I don't know whether you would want it at that time or not. Because it has become so much of effort from your side. That's what I'm seeing here. Okay, Sagittarius, I hope this resonates with you. Please let me know in the comments. Private readings are open, so you can reach out to me, and I shall see you soon with more readings, guys. Also, I have 2 channels on Instagram. One is for tarot, the other one is for crystals, so you can have a look at both. Take care, and I shall talk to you soon. Bye.